Hi guys. So, sorry. I'm gonna be doing an unboxing video. My Telfar bags came in and I'm so excited. So, we are going to unbox the first one. I'm very excited as to see what they look like. Okay, so this one, I think this one is the chocolate brown color. Ooh, look at that. That is so beautiful. Super, super cute. Okay, we're gonna move on to the next one. They feel really nice, like good quality too. So they came separately. So the first one came, and then like a week or two later, these ones came. And there's like 5 bags in here. Okay, so we'll start off with the smaller ones. I got 2 small bags. So this one's eggplants, which is super cute. I really like this one. I'll probably take these little plastic things off after. And then the other small bag. I love all the dust bags that they come in. And this one is a chocolate brown. So the other one was probably tan. That was the tan one. So this one is the chocolate one. This one's really cute. I like this one. This one I'm really excited for. This one is the medium. Ooh. And it's the pink. This is so cute. I love the color. And I opened my window so you guys can really see the color. Hopefully it looks as good as it does in person. Okay. Move on to the next one. This one is actually for my mom. Ooh. Look at that. Perfect for fall. This is such a nice color, guys. Okay. And the last one is the navy. That is really nice. Okay. Let me show you all of them. Look at all of these. Beautiful. They're such nice colors, guys. So we got the eggplant. Then we got the brown, chocolate. We have the tan. Super cute. We have the bubblegum pink. Lovely. And I think this one's mustard yellow. And lastly, the navy. Wow. I'm obsessed, if you can already tell. And yeah, they're great quality. I absolutely love them. They feel super sturdy. Let me open one, actually fully open one, so you guys can see the inside. And it comes with like a Velcro thing for the holder and the strap. Let's see the inside. Ooh, look at that. The inside. And I also saw this girl on TikTok. She said like this little logo is a pocket. And she's right. It's like a tiny little pocket inside. I don't know if you can see that. My finger can go in there. I don't know what the hell I'm putting in there. But yeah, it's a cute little pocket. And then it has a side pocket on the inside. And the zipper is really nice quality as well. It's pretty deep too. That's nice. Yeah, guys, this is super cute. You know I have to have the logo out, baby. I'll take the tag off after. But look at that, guys. So cute. Looks cute with my sweater. Period. Period. I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm in love. Yes, okay, yes. So that was the unboxing. I'm so excited that they came in. And yeah, let me know in the comments which color you prefer, which color you want to see. I'm gonna try and maybe make a video of like styling all the bags. So yeah, let me know. Also, like, comment, and subscribe. Ugh, I said that's so terrible. Okay, like, comment, and subscribe. We need the gang, okay? We need the followers. I'm hoping and praying you like this video. And I'm really excited, guys. Thank you for watching.